everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Liv, and today I'll be showing you how to make a pumpkin pie martini. Champagne and beer are so boring. Impress your guests with this signature cocktail, which features the best flavors of fall and winter. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take a martini glass and fill it to the top with ice. Filling your glass with ice will make sure your drink and your glass stays nice and cold. We'll put this off to the side. We'll deal with it later. Next, we're going to take our cocktail shaker and fill it up with ice. Now we're going to take 1/2 ounce of cream liqueur. Next, we're going to take 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. We're gonna give this a shake to make sure they're all blended together. Now, to incorporate those flavors of fall and winter, let's take 3 tablespoons of pumpkin pie filling. We're gonna wanna blend this real good to make sure our martini is smooth and creamy. So go ahead, shake away. It's like an arm workout. Earn that martini. I think it's ready. We're gonna put this off to the side, and now we're going to prepare our martini glass. We don't need the ice anymore. To really achieve that pumpkin pie flair, we're going to rim the glass with caramel and then graham cracker crust. So we have the caramel, and then we have the graham cracker. How good does this look already? But we have this. So now it's time to strain. Yum! It looks delicious. But what's pumpkin pie without any whipped cream? So we need to add some whipped cream. Go ahead and add a dollop of whipped cream. I can't wait to drink this, but one more thing. You can't have a pumpkin pie martini without a cinnamon stick. So lastly, let's put a cinnamon stick on the side. And there you have it, your pumpkin pie martini that incorporates all the flavors of fall and winter, like cinnamon, pumpkin, and graham cracker. Yum, cheers.